All right, this is the teaser for the 2523MBR. Coming down in, you say it. That's how they spelled it. That's how I'm gonna freaking say it. MBR. Yeah. There's no vowels. What do you expect me to do? All right, coming down in 3, 2, Okay, so the people that know me know I'm rarely at a loss for words. Welcome to the Forest River Rockwood. This is the 2523MBR. Ryan, just do the thing. I got a front kitchen, I got a pass-through bedroom, and I got an opulent rear bath. I got tons of storage, and it's a Rockwood. Now granted, this is the largest Rockwood in the Mini Lites. You know, this beauty comes in at 25 feet 10 inches. Let's just call it 26 to be even. So I'm still in the sweet spot for state parks, most of them anyway. And you're looking at 6,300 pounds dry. This is a couples coach though. So if you're looking for a family RV, then you know what my words are, probably not for you. But if you are looking for something that's going to give you entertaining, prep, eating, dining, reconnecting, and just separation of space, this is it. But let's start right up here in the front kitchen first. Love how I have this almost galley style U/modified L kitchen. Solid surface countertops all the way around, giving me tons of prep space, tons of buffet space. I got an undermounted, oversized stainless steel sink with the high-rise faucet. Only thing I'd like to see, Rockwood, is a pull-down sprayer. It's a picky thing, but my job is to pick out things that you can do better to help my friends get the RV that you make that's right for them. Now, one thing I love is this. That front windshield, because that's what it is, it's an automotive grade windshield, is amazing for light, visibility. But if I want some privacy, I do have my own little shade that I can pull down. It's surrounded by this gorgeous wood valance that's decorative. Then on top of that, I'm gonna mix up the salad, and we got strut supported frosted glass inlay shelves up above my cooking area. These are all solid wood. Love the oversized, I call them the Terminator knees, because if you ever saw T2, which by the way was the better Terminator, don't even at me on that. These are awesome because they're heavy duty, they're gas strutted, super supportive, and they last forever. The solid wood cabinets, probably the only thing I wasn't crazy about was this right here. Now granted, you're not gonna open two at the same time, but I'm trying to be picky. I got the Magic Chef microwave. I got the Magic Chef 3-burner cooktop and 16-inch, no, that's a 17-inch oven, and it's recessed. So I got even more prep space. Then add that to the fact that my windows, which are frameless, also open up, great for shade, awesome for the flow of air. And for entertaining, look at my TV. It's on a swivel arm, so if I want to turn it even to the bedroom, or if I'm getting ready back there and I got the news on, maybe I'm watching Fox and Friends or whatever, bam, I can watch it from back there. And when it comes time to eat, sure, I don't have a dinette in this. So if you're looking for the traditional setup, not really going to find it here. But I have a bar top, which if I'm going to be sitting next to my loved one, kind of reconnecting when we eat, this is kind of cute. Because at the dinette, you're sitting across from each other. Why not kind of, you know, elbow up a little bit? So I like that. Once again, not right for everybody, but hopefully somebody is seeing this and saying, yes. And as far as space goes, you got tons of it, Ernie. I mean, look at everything you got under here. All my drawers, solid wood. I got the ball bearing guides. I got my little holder for all my utensils. Even more space over here. Then I got my oversized fridge freezer combo right here, which is 12 volt, 10.7 cubic foot. Love the fact that I can run this while going down the road. Also love it that I can open it from either side if I want to, which for me, this, I understand you can do it, but like why? This is kind of tight. So I think just a regular opening would have been fine, but once again, I'm just trying to pick it up. Now, for kicking back and relaxing, These are some of the most comfortable recliners I've been in inside of an RV, and I usually like the extra thick pillow top ones. This one is plush, but it doesn't have that, but for some reason it just feels more comfortable. I guess maybe because it's got some type of lumbar support in it, I don't know. I got the 10-inch console here, giving me some space to hide my stuff. I got the wireless charging located right in the middle, surrounded by large windows, once again with actual blackout shades and frameless tinted windows, recessed LED lights, and when it comes to the construction, in my opinion, Rockwood is one of the brands that does it better than anybody else. They got this aluminum superstructure, they vacuum bond everything, you got the foam insulation. I mean, it's an amazing coach. All the features, the bells and whistles you're gonna find, they're gonna be inside Rockwood. From the recessed lights to the high output furnace, the high output AC. That's also the AC that allows you to do the quick cool dump and also has the filters. So very nice. And then right here by the door, you got even more space, which is great, kind of mini mudroom, if you will. Hangers for my jacket, and that's also where you're gonna find your command panel. Now this is where you come to run out the awning, check out your tanks, as well as run out your slide. You do have your water pump, your water heater, as well as your tank heaters on this, because you do have the 12-volt pads on your tanks to help keep them from freezing when you're driving through cold climates. And to me, people ask me all the time, is that four season? Is that four season? I'm gonna tell you right now, just between me and you, I do not like saying any RV is four season because I don't know where you live. Now, if we were talking, oh yeah, well I live in Michigan, okay, what is it? Or hey, I live in Texas. Well, it depends on where you're at. Because a four season in Buffalo is going to be different than four season in Albuquerque. The temperature rating is what you want to pay attention to. Now these have really good temperature rating. You're looking at 0 to 100. So that's the temperature with which, if you're in 0-degree weather, this should keep you fairly warm. If you're in 100-degree weather, this should keep you fairly cool. But there's usually a little bit of a swing. So just do your homework on that. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, got your command panel right there. Sorry, Uncle Chris trying to help you out. And your tanks on this one, 54-gallon fresh, 58-gallon gray, which are pretty good tank sizes, 29-gallon black. Fine with me because a black tank's gonna hold less anyway. So pretty good tank sizes for the couple, maybe not for the family. Absolutely love the space. Love the whole entire flow of this kitchen. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what you think, because my favorite is right here. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that separation of space is huge for me, because even though we're going camping to spend time together, we still need our separation. Privacy, if you will. Having the bedroom midship of the 2523 MBR, I think is awesome. I got a queen size bed nestled in a slide. Once again, I got those frosted glass in my storage doors. I got the reading lights. I got windows. I got storage under my bed, which is strut supported, plus the drawers. And then across from that on the campsite, I got a prep area right here with pressed surface. Great storage. Little TV up there, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Washer dryer prep inside my ward right here with the actual hanger bar. I like this versus the ward bar because those little grooves are gonna make sure your clothes don't go anywhere. And some not so easily accessible storage underneath. Love it, love the separation of space. Right there's my solar charge controller, because you do have a 200-watt solar panel on this bad boy. Take a look at the bed and tell me, what's the one thing I don't like about this bed? Leave a comment down there before I tell you. Do you see it? Can you see it? The corner notches. I have a fear that I'm gonna hit my head on their little nightstand space. So to me, that's probably the only thing I would change in this area. Then we come to the bathroom and bam, extremely well laid out. Tons of space, porcelain toilet here, LED underlit under my linen storage and my vanity. Well, you could probably put some periodicals right there, not a lot. Definitely not space for a trash can, unless your trash can is the same size as a Wrigley's Double Mint gum strip. And I got the mirrored medicine cabinet right here, towel hanger, recessed lights, another max vent fan, and this I absolutely loved. This shower is not only big, it's glass enclosed. I got the skylight, the matte black on my shower controls. Would like to see the upgraded nozzle. I know they got the shower miser on here, so it's gonna help reduce the water use. I just like the bigger shower heads. So many people are using them. But I got the corner notches there, decorative splash, skylight, tons of room. That I love. Flooring, I love. Construction, I love. Kitchen, bedroom, bada bing, bada boom. What do you love about it? Leave me some comments down below and let me know. But they got a lot of things right with this one. A lot of things right. Not many things I can knock. So what do you say we go outside and finish this bad boy up? Come on. Now let's talk a little bit about the outside of the Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2523MBR. Because there are, like on the inside, I was gushing over how much stuff I love there. On the outside, not so much. But let's start with some of the good stuff. Power tongue jack up front, right in front of my twin 30-pound LP tanks. Awesome oversized powder coated frame, which is a tremendous support for this coach. Love how they build their frames. Twin battery boxes as well on your battery rails. Right here you'll see your stab jacks as well as your solar port here if you do have the briefcase, you want to trickle charge that battery a little bit. But you do have a 200-watt solar panel on top, not to mention your 30-amp charge controller in there as well. Now usually this is where the storage would be. On this one though, you have the little mini Magic Chef. Nice touch. Gotta tell you though, I miss the storage, so not crazy about that. The back of your high output furnace is right here too. Just don't put a camp chair there. Love the frameless windows. Love the oversized awning with the LED light, the safety rail, the oversized solid steps, the double axle with the tire pressure monitoring on it, and those are Goodyear tires, better tires than most. Plus the axles are the Easy Lubes. They even have the counteract balancing beads on these, which not only increases the tire life, but helps a little bit with the safety and security. And having the tire pressure monitoring is absolutely imperative that you have on any RV you get. Number one cause of accidents is blowouts. If you do not have TPMS, get it, please, for me. LP Quick Connect down there. This right here is the bar for your grill or griddle, TV mount as well as cable connection. And this right here is the back of your hot water heater. Outside shower with hot and cold. 4x4 sewer hose storage there, spare tire, backup camera prep, and the ladder is mounted up there as well. The thing I don't like, and I hate even saying that because I love this coach, is all the storage is on the off-camp side for the exterior, and it's not conventional. Like the storage in the front, this little small compartment might be okay for maybe like a tool kit. Then you got one that's on the slide, which, you know, once again, is kind of small. You have 3 over there all total. Wasn't really crazy about the external storage, but then I got to thinking, okay, this is a couples coach. They got great storage on the inside, so what do they really need to store on the outside? I can't answer that question, only you can, because I'm showing this to you in hopes that this is what you're looking for. Which, by the way, if it is, please let me know. Leave me some comments down below and let me know. From the construction to everything that they do inside and out on this coach, it is a tremendously well-built coach. I can't even go into all the details because we don't have the time. But 25 feet 10 inches, roughly 6,300 pounds, 54, 58, and 29 on your tanks. I feel like as the biggest of the Mini Lites, they did a lot of things right, most things right. But there's a couple areas of improvement. Let me know if I'm off base. Leave me some comments and let me know. And please click like, subscribe, and notify so the next time we do one of these, you're the first one to get it. But regardless, I hope you enjoyed the Rockwood Mini Lite 2523MBR. That's how they spell it. That's how I'm gonna say it.